Yes, sir. This your boy, Mr. Miami Sweet, man. Gonna head up here to the third annual Rick Ross Car Show. Leave out tomorrow morning, man. We're gonna pull this thing up here. Definitely can't drive it up there. This thing runs off of 110 fuel, man. But she ready. She is ready. Huh? She ready now. I got that metal grill. That's not plastic. It's a metal grill. I didn't have time to get it penny copper, so I just put it in there. All metal. All metal. That's not plastic. That's a Caprice metal grill. You better believe it. Uh, Told y'all we coming, man. Oh yeah, look at the blinkers, man. Uh, Told y'all we were coming. Hit that switch. Got the LED lights on the inside as well. That switch, man. Told y'all we were coming. You understand me? We coming, man. We're gonna drop the top, skin the dick back, like they say. Yes, sir. We coming, man. We are coming. Oh yeah, we got that digital AC too, man. And it's blowing. It's blowing cold too, man. Got that digital AC unit, man. You better believe it. And she blowing. And she blowing. Blowing hard too. Brand new. My boy Jughead Auto Tunes, man. Put that thing in there for me. He said, what you want, Sweet? You want the knobs or you want that new digital? I said, man, give me that digital. You better believe it. Oh boy, we coming, man. My boy Dunk Doctor got me right. He painted this thing over, man. Dunk Doctor got me right. Y'all check Dunk Doctor out. My boy Freddie, man. He'll get you right. Yes, sir. I got the bumper guards, but they not ready, man, to put on. They will be penny copper. They couldn't have it ready in time for me. But it's all good. It's all good. Those y'all were coming. You thought I wasn't? Y'all thought I wasn't? Yes, sir. Those the boy were coming. And she running. Yes, sir. Y'all get at me, man. We're going to put her in the trailer in the morning. I got me an Airbnb. Park it inside a double garage. So tomorrow when I get there, I'm going to drive her around town. I ain't going to leave her park. We're going to drive this thing. Then we're going to take it to Ross House to the Promised Land Friday morning. Got that VIP parking. Go ahead and park that thing on the Promised Land. We coming, man. We coming. Shamo, Mr. Miami, representing Longshoreman, Local 1416. We coming. Port of Miami.